Hey guys! So today we're going to do a little science experiment. The glitter, or you can use pepper, are going to represent germs. We all know about germs right now, so make sure that you're paying attention. I'm going to close my germs and stick my whole hand in the germs. Oh no, they're all stuck. So I'm going to put my hand in the bowl and I'm going to wash them for 20 seconds. Keep washing till all those germs are off. Okay, with my clean hand, watch how the soap keeps the germs away.